Cryptocurrency prices have been hit hard over the last, honestly, it's like 12 hours, not even 24 hours here, as a lot of uncertainty surrounding, I don't even know what you can say on YouTube. I guess I'm not monetized anymore. Wars happening overseas, and it's driving prices lower at the moment. But XRP investors remain strong, and XRP investors remain convinced that if they can reclaim some of these levels, they could see a rally to $14 per coin. Now, we're going to talk about those levels in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now prepare for a 530% XRP price breakout to $14 if this happens. Clearly, nobody knows exactly where the price is going to go, but these analysts are very optimistic. It says the key takeaways here, and I'm not going to jump into too much of the detail, but it says you can see a 530% rally towards $14, and the XRP pair needs to reclaim the 200-day moving average to continue its uptrend. It goes on to say that XRP has been consolidating below $3 per coin since February 1st. Still, analysts argue they can see a massive recovery from the current level and a breakout like it did in 2017. Crypto analyst Mickey Bull, and look, these analysts, yes, they've got a lot of time, but it's not like they're always going to be correct, right? Technical analysis shows us what could happen. Doesn't show us what is guaranteed to happen. It shows us what could happen. But it says we can see a breakout of a pennant that led to an over 1,300% upward move to all-time highs around $3.40. I've seen this move before. The analyst said on June 17th post on X, adding 2017 rally vibes coming up. Now, I don't know how much we should look into an analyst that's talking about rally vibes, but let's look into the technicals a little bit. At the end of this article, they do talk about some moving averages that do need to be broken. It says XRP's potential to move higher is part of a recovery that began on April 10th and saw the relative strength index rise to a level of 52. At the time of writing, however, it's at oversold conditions at a level of 29. Now, bulls are focusing on breaking resistance at 227. This is the 50-day simple moving average. The bullish case for the altcoin hinges on turning the resistance between 237, the 200-day moving average, and 265 into new support. A close above this level will signal another escape break above the 50-day simple moving average, paving the way for a return to $3. So, to be a little bit more, I guess, conservative, we have to reclaim these moving averages, whether it be simple, exponential, and so on. XRP does need to see some price increase before we see investors returning and confident in their buys. We have seen a fear and greed index that is sitting at a level of neutrality right now. But what this all boils down to is utility tokens. Utility tokens are going to be next in line after Bitcoin, into altcoins, right? This altcoin season that is trying its best to take off is going to see utility tokens rise first. At the end of the line is meme coins. And sure, meme coins may see higher capital gains than utility tokens will, but utility tokens offer that safer and maybe quicker approach in the cycle. Now, because of that, I have been finding all of the utility tokens that I can get my hands on, and Snorter is one of them. Now, I did buy into Snorter Token, just to let you guys know. I own this. I'm excited about it, and I believe that it can go up. Snorter has sold over $1 million worth of cryptocurrency in its ICO, and it's very easy to buy. If you guys are interested, you're going to click that link down in the description below. You're going to buy with crypto, buy with your card, however you want to do it. Scan this QR code, and I like to do that with Best Wallet. You guys can use whatever wallet you want, but Best Wallet works very well for a lot of these ICOs so that you can continue to monitor your balance without reconnecting to the website. Now, Snorter it's got a lot going on for it right now. At the moment, 287% annualized interest if you decide to stake your Snorter tokens. Now, of course, the more people that stake, the more people you're going to split that pie with. So your piece is going to become smaller I guess, longer you wait. From there, Snorter Token is potentially the best crypto presale and the best cryptocurrency trading bot. Now, I'm focused on utility at the moment, and this does combine the memeability. This is a very, very nice meme coin, right? It's got the virality to it. something that's going to be funny to share and all of that. But at the end of the day, it's got the utility and potentially one of the best trading bots on the market. It's got fast, secure swaps, automated sniping, limit orders, honeypot detection, rug pull protection, copy trading. And if you compare it, right, we're going to ignore the snortability because it's the only one with snortability compared to Maestro, Trojan, Banana Gun, Bonk Bot, and Soul Trading. But if you look at it, it's got the lowest fees in comparison to all of its competitors here. It's one of the fastest. It's got access to live new Solana trading pairs. And that's important, right? Some of these bots, they only allow you to trade some of the larger pairs, which is fine. But these live new trading pairs, guys, I don't know if you've watched them out on Dex Tools before, but they can move 5, 10, 20% in a tick, right? They can move thousands of percent in a day. And a sniper bot that can take advantage of that can really bring in a lot of profit. It's got limit orders available, honeypot detection, standard across the board, and copy trading. So if you know somebody out there, if you can find somebody out there that is doing very well, you can copy their strategy. They've got the roadmap available. You guys can get all of your questions answered. Tokenomics are available. And actually, they're growing on X very well as well. So if you come out here, they've already got 12,300 followers on X. The presale has been live since May 28th. So it is growing very quickly. Able to do over $1 million in presale activity in less than a couple weeks. 1,065,000 so far, and in one day, in 19 hours, the price is going to rise. Look, I get it, right? The volatility is deterring a lot of people right now. But if we stay focused, if we continue to accumulate, as long as this cryptocurrency industry grows, we are going to see massive growth because we were willing to get in when everybody else was too afraid. Let me know if you guys are willing down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.